హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు సిబిఏ క్లాస్ బేస్డ్ అసెస్మెంట్ అండ్ ఫార్మేటివ్ అసెస్మెంట్ టోఫెల్ ఎగ్జామ్ పార్ట్ బి కండక్ట్ చేయడానికి ఆడియో క్లిప్పింగ్స్ ఎస్సీఆర్టీ వాళ్ళు ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. అన్ని క్లిప్పింగ్స్ ఇన్ ఏ సింగిల్ వీడియో మీకు అందిస్తున్నాము. క్లాస్ వైజ్ ఉంది. యూ క్యాన్ ఐడెంటిఫై ఈజీలీ. మీరు ప్రతి 3, 4, 5 ఒక ప్యాటర్న్ కు సపరేట్.
Hello, my dear friends. Today you're going to listen to a story about a boy. After that, do the test. This is our new classmate. His name is Elliot. He lives in Orange Street. His house is old but nice. His family is not very big. Mommy, daddy, and a baby sister. His mother works at school. She is a teacher. His father works on a farm. Elliot has a special hobby. He likes magic. Elliot likes books too. Every Saturday his family goes on a picnic to the park, but yesterday they didn't. It was rainy and they had a home party. They cooked a lot of food and had fun. Elliot and his family will go on a picnic next Saturday. Now it's time for you to do the test. Good luck! Hello, my dear friends. In this video, you are going to listen to the story. After that, do the test. Today, we shall speak about the seasons. There are 4 seasons in a year: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. What's your favorite season, Tom? My favorite season is autumn. It's a beautiful season. The leaves in the trees are red, yellow, brown, and green. It is warm in September. I can go for a walk. On the 1st of September, I'm glad to see my friends at school after the long summer holidays. In autumn, there are a lot of vegetables and fruit. I like sweet pears. I don't like autumn. It's a dull season. I don't like when it rains. In October, it is cold and it often rains, and we can't go for a walk. I like summer. Summer is a bright season. The trees are green. It's hot and I can swim in the river. I can play outdoors all day long, and I don't go to school. And my favorite season is winter. Winter is beautiful. The trees are white with snow. There is a lot of snow in the streets and in the parks. My friends and I can play snowballs and hockey, but most of all, I like to ski. Thank you, David. How about you, Susan? What's your favorite season? I don't like winter. It's so cold in winter. It often snows. The sky is gray. The days are short and the nights are long. I like spring. The sun often shines. The sky is blue. Birds sing songs. In May, the trees and grass are bright green. There are many beautiful flowers in May. Well, children, I think all seasons are good and beautiful. Everything is good in its season. Do the test. Good luck! Hello, my dear friends. Today you're going to listen to a story about a boy. After that, do the test. This is our new classmate. His name is Elliot. He lives in Orange Street. His house is old but nice. His family is not very big. Mommy, daddy, and a baby sister. His mother works at school. She is a teacher. His father works on a farm. Elliot has a special hobby. He likes magic. Elliot likes books too. Every Saturday his family goes on a picnic to the park, but yesterday they didn't. It was rainy and they had a home party. They cooked a lot of food and had fun. Elliot and his family will go on a picnic next Saturday. Now it's time for you to do the test. Good luck!
Listen to a student talking to the receptionist of a language school.
Are you a new student?
Yes, I am.
I need to ask you some questions.
Okay.
What's your first name?
Elisa.
Elisa? How do you spell that?
A-L-I-S-A.
Thanks. And what's your surname, Elisa?
Bernard. That's B-E-R-N-A-R-D.
Fine. How old are you?
I'm 22.
Where are you from?
I'm from France, from Paris, the capital city.
What's your address in the U.S.?
14 Ramsey Street, Brooklyn.
And your zip code?
Oh, it's 11-222.
What's your phone number?
My cell phone?
Yes, please.
It's 718-555-8545.
718-555-8545.
I always eat a good amount of breakfast. For example, my breakfast this morning was a salad, eggs, sausages, bread, and a tomato soup. I love to wake up early in the morning and make a delicious breakfast. Eating breakfast while feeling the sunshine is the best. This has been something I've always done since childhood. There were 4 kids in my family, and all of them loved sports. Everyone had a huge appetite from the morning. Because of that, my mom always woke up early and made a hearty breakfast. Thanks to that, my mind and body worked very well from the morning. A while ago, when my friend slept over at my house, she was very surprised after seeing the breakfast I had prepared. My friend is the type who can't eat a lot in the mornings, so apparently she always only has a cup of coffee. According to my friend, if she eats a lot in the morning, she feels unpleasant. In my case, I always lessen my lunch. If I eat a lot for lunch, I get sleepy in the afternoons, making my work efficiency slow down. My friend and I are complete opposites. Because she doesn't eat much for breakfast, she gets very hungry around 11. That's why she apparently eats a lot for lunch. It seems like everyone has different rhythms for their body. I saw on the TV a while ago, but there are also people who only eat once per day. Instead of having breakfast and lunch, they apparently eat around 2,500 kilocalories for their dinner. I'm worried about their health if they eat like that, but the people who do that looks very healthy themselves. They exercise a lot daily, so apparently they don't gain weight even if they eat a lot at night. I can never copy them. One of my friends only eats a salad for dinner. That friend also goes to the gym and is very skinny. I copied her once and only ate salad for dinner. However, I gave up after 2 days. If I don't eat meat or fish for the main dish of dinner, I can't sleep in the night because of hunger. In the end, I woke up at midnight and ate 1 slice of bread with 1 glass of milk. And then I was finally able to sleep peacefully. Depending on the country, there also may be times when you eat 5 meals in a day. There are doctors who say that eating 4 to 5 light meals is more healthy for the body. However, eating 3 meals a day is the best for my body.